Morning everyone. So this video is all about how to assemble and disassemble washing machine, and also we're going to identify the parts, the internal and the external parts of washing machine. So first is our chassis. Next we have the control panels. In control panel we have the selector switch and also the time knob or time setting knob. Next, here we have the agitator, we have the drum, and all we have the AC cord and also the drain pipe.
Ito.
Drain pipe. So next we're going to identify the function. So the chassis is for the protection if ever na i-run na natin yung ating washing machine or gamitin, is hindi maapektuhan yung nasa loob. Next, in control panel we have the selector switch or the on and off switch. So ginagamit natin to if we want to on and off the switch. So as easy as that. Next, the time setting knob. So we're going to select how much longer we want kapag ginagamit natin yung washing machine. Next, inside is the drum. Next is the agitator. So it is responsible sa pag-ikot or sa paglinis ng ating mga clothes or anything na ginagamit natin or gusto nating i-wash sa loob ng washing machine. Next is the body or the case. So it is protects us from any external damage. Next, we have the AC cord. So this is where the electricity flows kapag ginagamit natin yung washing machine. Next is drain pipe. So drain pipe is the function nito is kapag tapos natin gumamit or after we use washing machine, if we want to drain the water or kung madumi na, so dito siya dadaan. Next, we're going to identify the internal parts of our washing machine. So here we have the motor. So the function of motor is it is responsible sa pag-ikot ng ating agitator. So as we can see, connected siya sa agitator kapag binalik na natin siya. Next is the water pump or drain pump. So before dumaan yung tubig na pina-flush out natin sa washing machine, so dito muna siya dumadaan. Next is the so here we have the capacitor. Capacitor is responsible sa pag manage ng ang speed or sa control ng ating bilis ng ating washing machine. So that's all for our internal parts. So we're going to check if there is a continuity or readings in our reverse switch. So we're going to put the common or the positive here and also the negative here.
Set mo muna. Go na yan.
So as we can see, there is a wait lang, reading or continuity in our multimeter.